Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Ideapad. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that some keys on your Lenovo Ideapad aren't responding, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to a variety of reasons, such as debris getting lodged beneath the keys or a failing keyboard connection. If left untreated, it can severely hinder your productivity and lead to more extensive damage over time. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, a soft cloth, and a replacement keyboard compatible with your Lenovo Ideapad. To begin, ensure your device is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Place it on a flat surface and use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the base cover. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this can damage the casing. Once the cover is off, locate the keyboard connector. It's typically a flat ribbon cable attached to the motherboard. Gently detach it by lifting the locking mechanism. Now, you'll need to remove the faulty keyboard. This usually involves unscrewing several screws that hold it in place. Keep track of these screws, as they can vary in size. Apply a gentle but firm pressure to lift the keyboard out of its housing. Make sure not to pull on any attached cables. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. After removing the old keyboard, take your new one and align it carefully with the mounting points. Press down gently until it fits snugly. Reattach the keyboard connector by inserting it into the socket and securing the locking mechanism. Next, replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not over-tightened, as this can strip the threads. Once the keyboard is securely in place, reattach the base cover by aligning it correctly and pressing down until you hear a click. Finally, power on your Lenovo Ideapad and test the keyboard to ensure all keys are functioning as they should. If you notice any issues, double-check the connections and screws. To prevent this problem from recurring, try to keep your keyboard clean by regularly using compressed air to clear out dust and debris. Also, consider using a keyboard cover to protect against spills and dirt. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.